Okay, Formula S Barracuda for 68. You can always tell it's 68 with those round side markers. One of my personal favorites. This is a friend of mine's car, Jim. He does paint and body, and he's a builder, and all of his cars are very nice. You can see how he prepares them, and big power, very clean, very well done. And the engine is a 496, and it's got a 5-speed in it. So, beautiful color here in the late afternoon sun. It really, really pops. Very, very nicely done car. Boy, that carpet back there looks really good. Pistol grip on the console. Wood steering wheel. Upgrade decor package interior. He's got nice speakers in the back. So he's got all the goodies. And got the go too. He's got the go and the goodies. So there you have it. Barracuda fans, 1968. Fastback with a 496 in it. That's stroker engine. Badass. Gauze Garage. Thank you.